How you doing today, folks? My name is Kevin with California Tile Restoration. The purpose of this video is how do I get my tiles rejuvenated? How do I bring them back to life? Well, the best way to bring them back to life is to restore them and refinish them and strip them. Now, there's a variety of forms of restoration. There's people come in with machines. Then there's the people that only deep clean them and don't really get the sealer off the surface. And there's people that sand them. And then there's people like us. And what we do is we completely remove all the old sealer off down to the raw porous stone. Now the raw porous stone now allows me to completely clean the floor. So you can't even clean these floors until you get that old sealer off. So what'll happen is, a lot of times, since this is a high traffic area where a lot of people walk in this hallway, then what happens is eventually the sealer will wear off if you're not maintaining it. And once it wears off, now you're walking on the tile directly. And the dirt and stuff gets ground into either it gets ground into the sealer, or you wear the sealer off so much that the dirt is just going directly on the tile. The point is, in order to get this dirt off, you see how dirty these are? We have to strip them this way, chemically. Okay, so I'll get them wet. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of what we do here. Get them all wet, the chemicals. See, I'm not using a sander, not using a machine, because they ruin the tile. Now actually, these tiles were sanded. They don't look so bad like other bad cases, but these tiles were sanded. So all sanding does really is make your restoration more expensive, because now it's taking a lot more chemical to remove the sealer off, because when you sand them, you know, it makes the sealer like bind to the inside of the tile more, you know. You took it off the surface, so now the sealer's not just sticking on the surface to where you can peel it off. It's like on the body, on the inside of the tile. So if you look here, you know, this is also the attention to detail part, you know. Even though it looks easy and it looks just like, oh, he's just using a brush, oh, he's just using a liquid. You know, I've been doing this for over 8 years, so I really do, you know, I know what I'm doing here. That's the difference. Just look young. But, you see how all that junk and dirt right there? See, that's all old sealer. It's been here for years. These are over 40-year-old floors? Yeah, I think they said, the homeowner said these are like over 40 years old. So as you can see, these old 40-year-old floors, once you get that sealer off and remove it, you know, real clean. Take a look at that bathroom real quick. See, that's the old stuff you see in that bathroom. See how it's like turning gray, and it's kind of just lost its sheen, lost its color. And then you come back to here, you see these are getting their color back after we completely strip them. Then you're removing the dirt and stuff. So, the best way to do them is to remove it chemically. So don't listen to the guys with the sanders. If you want to go the cheap route, use the carpet guys. They're going to come in with machines and they're going to use a chemical that's probably not strong enough to remove it all. And you got these walls and stuff. I mean, what happens when you like remove the paint off the walls? Now, don't get me wrong, I'm as detailed as I can, and I'm still touching the walls a little bit, you know? But we warn our customers before we do it that they might have to do a little touch-up. But imagine the touch-up you'd have to do with the machine. Even when we tape the wall, the tape peels up some of the wall. So, you know, now look. See? All that old dirt, look at the color came back to that. Look at that. Look, for the grout. Use this. Big secret here. Big secret. Want to keep your grout looking great? Use brass, not steel. Brass. See? So, like, share, subscribe, and let me know when's the first time you fell in love with Saltillo tiles. Leave a comment below. Let me know. And if you're looking to get this type of work done, go in the link, go to the link in the description below. Click that link, it'll take you to our website. Technical difficulties. It'll take you to our website and you can find our contact info. Contact us if you're looking to get this done. See, now that's that. Now hold on. So now I completely ruined the sealer. And as you see, like I said, these are sanded, so that was some work. That was some effort right there. It took a while, you know, just to do those 2 tiles. So this isn't no 99 cents per square foot that we're doing here. We're talking $7.50 to $10 per square foot for like serious cases like this. You gotta ask yourself, do you love your floor enough to have us come do it? If you don't love your floor and you don't care that much, you're just looking to get your deposit back, maybe you do want to go with the carpet company and just get it done real quick with the machine. They're not gonna get it completely off and get it like this, you know? And that's not even when we seal it, you know? I'll show you that in another video. But like, share, subscribe. If you want to contact us, go to the link below, click the description, leave a comment. When's the first time you fell in love with Saltillo tile floors? Have a great day. I'm Kevin. Bye.